the thing we have to understand is that there's product market fit and capital market fit. So I can say here's a fundamental recipe you should adhere to, but there are exceptions on the capital market fit side. So most projects are in the space to raise money, and most projects' main way to make money is to sell their tokens. Essentially dump them on you. That's the whole objective, is to convince you to buy their tokens or add enough liquidity to the pool so they can dump their tokens. So whether it's capital market fit or product market fit, those are both the issues. If you have real product market fit, then that isn't the incentive, right? The incentive is to generate fees and have a long-standing business. So that's why if you're in the, like, meme coins aside, if you're not worried about speculating, go have fun. That's fine. That's capital market fit. People are designing systems purely to raise lots of money and speculate on money. That's fine. But if you're after product market fit, it's really, really simple. The first question you should ask is, okay, how do you generate revenue? Because if they can't answer that, then you should just be out the door, because it means if they don't have revenues, it means why? It means they don't have customers. If they don't have customers, why not? It's because they haven't built a product anyone wants. If they don't have a product anyone wants, they don't have a business. If they don't have a business, why do they have a token? Right? That's really simple logic. And second, the token itself, right? Tokens' primary design is to somehow capture whatever value the protocol creates and distribute it to its holders. So again, if there's no revenue, there's no value. It's not capturing anything. Now, tokens can generate revenue indirectly. So directly would be like revenue shares, right? So I'm getting revenue from the system and they're sending it to me. Or indirectly through like a token burn. You hold the token, it becomes more and more scarce while demand either stays level or increases, right? So by that way, your token's going to go up in value. Those are the only ways. So again, it comes down to how are they generating that? So it's, are you generating revenue? How is that happening? And how is that revenue or value transferred to token holders? And the other thing is, always ask where's the yield coming from, because yield is one of these things they throw out there to say that this is why you should hold the token as well. But yield is like generally created by the issuance of other tokens. So it's like a self-decaying model. You shouldn't be involved in that. So where's the revenue coming from? Where's the yield coming from? I think if you just abide by that, then product market fit becomes very easy to identify, or genuine builders with good intentions.